I'm gonna take you on a walking tour of the grounds on my way to breakfast. After I get my room key. Please hold. There we go. Can't leave without that. Hopefully it still works. Okay. Let's do this. All right. Take a little walk downstairs. Nice sunny day out already. I think it's about 9 o'clock in the morning here. Okay. Normally we'd go to the left and wait for our carts, but I'm gonna go on foot today. Since it's supposed to be a relative, well, it's a short walk. To my left here is the Signature Residence. I should have done a virtual tour of that joint. This house over here to the left has its own pool. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's got a little bit of everything in there. So moving forward. Well, actually, I might even be able to get a glimpse of the backyard. I think it sleeps like 10 people. That's a little bit of the backyard. Coming up on the beach to the left. That's the general beach. Members, compliments of dude, get their own private beach. Which we didn't do that either. Buenos días.
Hola, buenos días, ¿cómo estás?
Ah, sí, así, ¿tú?
Excelente.
Ah. All right. Bueno. Morning. Day. Got great attitude here. That's one thing I will have to say about this place. The staff is very well trained, very great people. I mean, everyone very, I don't know, very nice people. I have nothing bad to say about the staff here. All right, coming out on Cantina. This is our humongous general pool. It goes all over the place. Under the bridge here, swim up bar, food on the other side, a separate pool for kids. The far side is where the members club is. And just like that, we are at Canton for breakfast. In 4.5 minutes, door to door. I don't know if my crew's been on. They might be in there. Dining area. Since it's earlier. This is one of the dining areas. The birds on this bad boy though. It's outdoor. They will steal food right off of your plate. Gotta watch your back around those guys. All right. And here's the buffet. Made it. Oh. Morning. I don't know where my crew is. Assuming they're still here. It can only take very long breakfasts. May have missed them. Oh, looks like I missed my food.